Hey guys, let me show you this Mercedes back there. Can you see it back there? So we're wrapping this Mercedes in a cherry blossom pink. Pink cars have been the rage this year. We've probably wrapped, what, 3 to 4 pink cars. They're really popular. Girls are loving to express themselves, and this is just another girl that's like, hey, I want a unique color, a cherry blossom. We haven't done this yet, and we're showing it off. You're gonna see a lot of videos of it. It's coming together really cool. She actually saved up for like a year, I think, when she came in and got a quote a while back. And then she's like, I've been saving this whole time and I'm so excited to finally get it done. So we can't wait to deliver for her. I love it when we're helping a customer kind of live their dream with it, you know. So I love that part of it. We're also working on a Tesla. We're wrapping that up. We've got a full thing wrapped in a partial wrapped in paint protection film. We wrapped the full front clip and then we did a 5-year coating, and it should be done. I mean, I would imagine today. They're probably finishing up right now. I may have to go finish up a couple little pieces. But then today we tinted the Blackwing. We did a full tint on this. We did a full windshield and 5% limo tint on the sides and back. That always looks super cool. It makes it look super tough. It's what it needed to toughen it up with this aggressive front end. It's kind of in line for our paint protection film. We're also wrapping the full thing in our paint protection film later on. So there'll be a lot of videos of both of these orange and black cars for Halloween. How can we pull that? Isn't that crazy? We're just getting dressed up for the holidays over here. Some people do pumpkins. We do orange and black supercars. So come check it out. You'll see a lot of cool cars. Feel free to subscribe, check it out, like it, comment. Happy Halloween, anything like that. All right, thanks for checking it out, guys.